The engineer, I know you like what you hear. Ice on my neck, got your bitch off of cocoa when she giving me head. Shawty put it on me, and I got
back with a YouTube video. And as you read by the title, do you already know that today's video is a hair collab? I know I'm looking rough, but today's a hair collab, and I collabed with DSOAR hair. They sent me this box. This is what the box looks like. This is 100% human hair. So we're gonna open the box and see. It's a piece of paper, address, and the information of the wig. It is body wave. It is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and it is 20 inches, and the cap size is small. They also sent me some eyelashes. Oops, I had them upside down. Well, maybe they got them upside down. I don't know. Another little piece of paper that has the information, but it says length 22 inches. It's a 5x5, and it's 150. So the piece of paper says 20 inches, and the thing inside says 22 inches. So I don't know if it's 20 or 22 inches, but now on the back of the box, it got the hair care, how to take care of the hair, and also how to wash the hair. So for y'all that do need help on that. As I said before, these lace closures is the best thing to wear because your edge is really not getting touched during this process. This is how the lace looks. It got combs in the inside. This is how the hair looks. It is body wave. I'm about to bleach the lace, so it's most likely not gonna be body wave once I wash it, but stop playing with them. Stop playing with them, sis. So I'm finna install this, and I will come back to y'all. So this is the final look. The good thing about this hair is it is cute, it's black. Like, come on now, stop playing. But it took a while for me to get this hair straight. I think because the original state was body wave, but I also bleached the knots, so I don't know. It took a while to get this hair straight. It is supposedly thing inside the box says 22 inches. I don't know which inch it is, but I most likely cut it and give it like a blunt cut straight across type of look, most likely. I do like it. I would recommend it. It does move like stiff wear, stiff wear, stiff wear. The lace took the bleaching pretty well. I put makeup in my part. I'm not really a fan of baby hairs. I wasn't gonna do baby hairs on this wig, but I decided to. Other than that, I don't got no bad reviews on this hair, y'all. If y'all like this hair, the way it looks, the install, all that, go shop with them. Everything that you need to know about this hair will be in the description box. As I said before, everything that you need to know about how to take care of this hair, how to wash it, everything is on the back of the box. Period. Also, my Instagram and my Snapchat will be in the description box. Don't forget to go follow me. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, sis. Also, don't forget to go get you a wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
The engineer, I know you like what you hear. Ice on my neck, got your bitch off a cocoa when she giving me head. Shawty put it on me.